Hi, I'm Dorothy, and today we're making an ice cream sandwich cake. That's right, an easy ice cream cake made with ice cream sandwiches. It's so simple because the bulk of the ice cream cake is made with ice cream sandwiches. I need 10 Oreos for this recipe, so I'm gonna start off by coarsely chopping them. Such a satisfying sound. All right, and that's it. I've got my Oreos all ready to go, so we're gonna set those aside. You're going to need 2 boxes or 24 ice cream sandwiches. Usually they come 12 to a box. Pay attention when you're buying them because they do sell a lot of mini ones now. If you're buying the mini ones, you'll need double the amount. So just pay attention when you're shopping. Start by layering 12 ice cream sandwiches in the bottom of this pan. Also need 2 containers of Cool Whip, that's 16 ounces. A pro tip for your chocolate sauce, mine gets really hard in the fridge because it's the Ghirardelli brand, which is not chocolate fudge, but it's chocolate sauce, but it's thicker. So if yours is too thick to drizzle, put it into a bowl of hot water and let it kind of come to room temperature. We are gonna refreeze this, so it's totally fine if they start to thaw. Want them nice and tight and compact together. I'll never forget, when I was a kid, ice cream sandwiches were a staple in my household. Seem to remember that my mom went through a phase of eating one for dessert every day for a long time. And this is a really, really simple way of making an ice cream cake without having to do all of the, layering and all of that. So we're gonna break these to fit. If you need to cut them, you might need to use a knife to cut them, to get them all to fit. Depends on this pan that you're using too. I'm using this Pyrex dish, which is a little bit narrower than 9x13. If you're using an actual a metal 9x13 pan, they'll fit a little bit easier. Okay, looks like I have one left. That's totally fine. That's gonna be a snack for later. All right, on top of this, we are going to add 1 container of Cool Whip and spread it evenly around on top. Want to use an offset spatula. I often find that that's a little bit easier to spread it. I love using Cool Whip for this. It makes it a lot easier. Plus, Cool Whip is made to freeze. Whipped cream's not gonna work in this recipe because it's not made to freeze. Now on top of that, we're going to add our chocolate sauce and our Oreos. I'm gonna add about 1/4 cup. I'm just gonna eyeball it, to be honest. If you want more, you can add more. If you want less, you can add less. You could also add caramel, peanut butter, anything that you like. Now we have the first layer done, and now we're going to repeat the layers of ice cream sandwiches and Cool Whip. It's messy work making these ice cream sandwich cakes, but someone's gotta do it. Breaking some of them to fit here along the edges. All right, and then to the top of that, we're gonna add this last container of Cool Whip. Just spread that all, make it fit. Top of our cake. This is literally the icing on the cake. To the top of that, we're going to add the rest of our chopped Oreos, just for garnish. You could add some more hot fudge if you want. And you could add any kind of cookies that you want. You're not limited to Oreos on this. You could add anything that you want. And then I'm going to add sprinkles because sprinkles make me happy and they're pretty. And that's it. Our ice cream sandwich cake is done and ready to be put in the freezer. So we're gonna freeze this for 1 hour and then we're ready to serve it. You could also freeze it longer, but we're gonna freeze it for 1 hour and then it'll be ready to serve. How big of a slice will you make for yourself? If it'll come loose. We've got, you can see, We've got our ice cream sandwich layers there, and it with our Cool Whip. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to taste this. Layers of ice cream sandwich and whipped topping and Oreos and sprinkles and hot fudge. Oh, this looks so delicious. This is going to be my favorite ice cream cake all summer long. This is literally, it's such an easy dessert, and it's, as you can see, it's going to serve a ton of people. So this is great for a party. If you don't follow me already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and keep watching for even more desserts.